Hello and Assalamualaikum. Today we're going to present a group assignment of supply chain management of housing truck distribution. First, we would like to introduce ourselves. I'm Syereen.
And I'm Sunder. We are going to concentrate on the topic sourcing and supplier management. In today's globalized and interconnected business landscape, effective supply chain management is crucial for organizations to maintain a competitive edge. Supply chain management encompasses the coordination and optimization of various activities involved in sourcing, procurement, production, and distribution of goods and services. The primary goal of supply chain management is to create a value-driven network that maximizes efficiency, minimizes costs, and enhances customer satisfaction. Effective supply chain management involves supplier selection and evaluation, negotiation of contracts and pricing, supplier relationship management, demand forecasting, inventory management, logistic coordination, and performance monitoring, etc. It requires robust communication channels, information sharing, and collaboration among all parties involved in the supply chain advancement in technology and have played a vital role in transforming supply chain management practices. Digitalization, data analytics, automation, and artificial intelligence have enabled organizations to gain real-time visibility into their supply chains, make data-driven decisions, optimize processes, and mitigate risks. Organizations are now placing greater emphasis on building robust contingency plans, diversifying their supplier base, and leveraging technology to create more resilient and responsive supply chains. To constructively understand supply chain management and its impact on a real-time organization, we have chosen Seng Trucks Distribution for detailed dissection. Seng Truck Distribution is a prominent player in the automotive industry, specializing in the distribution and sales of commercial trucks of Mercedes-Benz and Fuso brand. With a strong presence in the market, Seng Trucks Distribution has established itself as a reliable supplier of high-quality trucks, catering to a diverse range of industry and businesses. As a trusted name in the truck distribution industry, Seng Truck Distribution continues to grow and adapt to changing market dynamics, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of the industry by delivering superior trucks and comprehensive services to meet the evolving needs of its customer, and this is never possible without a strong managemental background in supply chain.
Sourcing and supplier management. There are 4 important criteria that contribute in the supply chain management of Seng Truck Distribution, which are supplier selection criteria and process, strategic sourcing and supplier performance measurement and evaluation, and finally, technology and digital transformation. But first, let us look at the supplier process. Orders are placed with Mercedes-Benz and Mitsubishi Fuso and received through maritime freight. Custom clearance is carefully managed to comply with import requirements, streamlining the process of fast entry into the country. The ordered vehicles are delivered to the Pekan assembly factory, where expert professionals build each vehicle to precise specification. A thorough pre-delivery inspection, PDI, is conducted after assembly to verify quality and functionality. Trucks are sold after passing the PDI, and Seng Trucks Distribution sales staff connects with dealers and consumers interested in the purchasing inventories. Dealers' relationship and direct customer service are pursued through effective marketing and customer interaction strategies. Efficient logistics are utilized to deliver the trucks to customers' specified location. Payment is completed after delivery, ensuring a seamless and transparent transaction process. Next, let us talk about the first important criteria, which is supplier selection criteria and process. Organizational success and competitiveness depend on supplier selection criteria. If you want high-quality products, parts, and services delivered quickly, you must find a reliable supplier and build business relationship with them. A literature review clarifies the aspects that go into choosing a supplier and emphasize the need of a methodical approach. The relevant literature emphasizes the importance of considering many qualities when choosing suppliers. Cost, quality, delivery, technology, flexibility, and sustainability are just a few elements that affect supplier evaluation and purchasing decision. Seng truck distribution has encountered challenges with two international suppliers, Mitsubishi from Japan and Mercedes from Germany, specifically related to product quality. The company has experienced issues such as scratched bodies and faulty radios, indicating a lack of quality control on the part of these suppliers. Analysis of the situation reveals that these quality issues have resulted in significant challenges for Seng truck distribution. As a consequence of poor quality, the trucks cannot be assembled, leading to the need to reorder components or even entire trucks. This not only causes delays in production processes but also incurs additional costs for the company. To address these challenges, Seng truck distribution should implement a strict quality assessment mechanism throughout its supply chain. The following solutions can be considered. Routine inspection. Implement regular inspection of the received components and trucks to identify any quality issues early on. This inspection should cover all aspects including body condition, radio functionality and other critical components. By conducting a routine inspection, the company can identify defects or issues promptly, allowing for timely corrective actions. Defining explicit quality expectation. Clearly define the quality expectation and requirements for the components and trucks supplied by Mitsubishi and Mercedes. This can include specific quality standards, performance indicators, and tolerance levels. By setting explicit quality expectation, Seng truck distribution can communicate its requirement to the suppliers effectively. Continuous improvement. Emphasize continuous improvement in quality management. Encourage the suppliers to implement effective quality control processes such as Six Sigma or total quality management to enhance their own quality assurance practices. Regularly review and assess the supplier's performance and provide constructive feedback for improvement. By implementing this solution, Seng truck distribution can address the challenges related to product quality. A strict quality assessment mechanism, routine inspection, explicit quality expectation, supplier collaboration and continuous improvement efforts will contribute to improving the overall quality control process. This, in turn, will help prevent issues such as scratched bodies and faulty radios, allowing for smoother truck assembly, reduce reordering, minimize delays, and enhance customer satisfaction. Import of products from Japan and Germany poses cost-related challenges for Seng truck distribution. The expenses associated with importing goods from these countries are influenced by the fluctuating exchange rates between Malaysia and Japan or Germany. This volatility in exchange rates throughout the years creates uncertainty regarding the final prices of imported products. The fluctuation exchange rates can have significant impact on the cost of imported goods. When value of Malaysian ringgit strengthens against the Japanese yen and the euro, the cost of importing products from Japan and Germany decreases. Conversely, when the Malaysian ringgit weakens against the Japanese yen and euro, the cost of importing increases. This analysis highlights the challenges that Seng truck distribution faces in terms of price uncertainty, which can impact the company's profitability and financial planning. The unpredictable nature of exchange rate fluctuation make it difficult for the company to accurately forecast and plan for the costs associated with imported goods from Japan and Germany. To address these challenges and effectively manage costs, Seng truck distribution should engage in thorough negotiation with the suppliers to establish fair and competitive pricing terms. This involves conducting market research, benchmarking prices, and leveraging their position as a significant customer to secure favorable pricing. It is important for the company to stay informed about the current exchange rates and their potential impacts on import costs. Regular reviews of pricing agreements should be conducted to account for fluctuation exchange rates and ensure continued cost effectiveness. The company should monitor the currency markets closely and consider implementing hedging strategies or financial instruments to mitigate the risk associated with exchange rate fluctuation. By implementing these measures, Seng truck distribution can improve its cost management practices, mitigate the impact of exchange rate fluctuation, and maintain a competitive edge in the market. Effective negotiation strategies, regular pricing reviews, monitoring of exchange rates, and supplier diversification efforts will contribute to achieving cost effectiveness and profitability despite the challenges posed by fluctuation exchange rates. The timing of shipment from Germany and Japan presents an additional challenge for Seng truck distribution. Due to long-distance shipment involved, shipments from Germany typically take approximately 3 months to reach their destination, while shipments from Japan take around 1.5 months. The extended shipping duration can disrupt the company's supply chain and lead to delays in receiving the imported products. This analysis highlights the impact of extended delivery times on various aspects of Seng truck distribution's operation. The delayed arrival of shipments can affect product availability, leading to potential disruption in the supply chain. This, in turn, can result in delayed production schedules, lower inventory levels, and ultimately impact the company's ability to meet customer demands in a timely manner. To address the issue of extended delivery times, Seng truck distribution should work closely with the suppliers to streamline the shipping process and reduce lead times. Collaboration with the suppliers on logistic optimization can help identify opportunities for improvement, such as exploring alternative shipping methods or utilizing more efficient routes. By assessing the current shipping practices and identifying areas of enhancement, the company can proactively reduce transit times and minimize delays. Setting realistic delivery time expectation is also crucial to managing customer satisfaction. Seng truck distribution should communicate openly with its customer about the extended delivery times and set accurate expectation to avoid any misunderstanding or disappointments. Providing regular updates and transparent communication regarding shipment progress can help alleviate concern and maintain strong customer relationship. Regular communication with the supplier is crucial to obtain accurate delivery updates and minimize delays. Seng truck distribution should establish effective channels of communication with the suppliers, ensuring timely and reliable information sharing regarding shipment status, potential delays, or any unforeseen circumstances. This proactive approach will enable the company to manage customer expectation effectively and make an unnecessary adjustment to its production and distribution plan. By addressing the challenges related to extended delivery times, Seng truck distribution can enhance its supply chain efficiency, improve product availability, and increase customer satisfaction. Streamlining shipping processes, setting realistic expectations, and maintaining open communication with suppliers will contribute to minimize delays and maintaining a reliable and responsive supply chain. Next, let us talk about the second important criteria, which is strategic sourcing and supplier management. Strategic sourcing and supplier management improve sourcing decisions, supplier relationship, and business success. A literature evaluation shows strategic sourcing and supplier management best practices. The literature study summarizes strategic sourcing and supplier management, this including aligning sourcing strategies with company goals, collaborating with suppliers using technology and digital tools, and considering sustainability. Strategic sourcing and supplier management may optimize sourcing decisions, increase suppliers' performance, and provide companies a competitive edge. Seng truck distribution recognizes the importance of strategic sourcing and supplier relationship management in its operations, particularly when working with local suppliers, Company A, the assembler, and Company B, the tire supplier. These suppliers play integral roles in the company's supply chain, with Company A responsible for assembly process and Company B providing the necessary tires. Cost control is indeed a significant concern for Seng truck distribution, especially considering their heavy reliance on niche suppliers who play crucial roles in the assembly and tire supply process. This analysis emphasized the potential consequences of uncontrolled costs, including reduced profitability and financial instability. The occurrence of price markups by these niche suppliers can have a detrimental impact on Seng truck distribution profitability. Higher costs can erode the company's profit margins, limiting its ability to invest in growth initiative, research and development, or other strategy endeavors. With reduced profitability, the company may face challenges in sustaining its operation, expanding its business, or meeting financial obligation. Moreover, uncontrolled costs can lead to financial instability for the company. If expenses consistently exceed revenues, it can strain the company's cash flow and overall financial health. This situation may restrict Seng truck distribution's ability to meet its financial obligations, such as paying suppliers, meeting payrolls, or investing in necessary infrastructure and resources. It can also hinder the company's ability to respond to market changes or unforeseen circumstances. Cost control is indeed a significant concern for Seng truck distribution, especially considering their heavy reliance on niche suppliers who play crucial roles in the assembly and tire supply process. This analysis emphasized the potential consequences of uncontrolled costs, including reduced profitability and financial instability. The occurrence of price markups by these niche suppliers can have a detrimental impact on Seng truck distribution profitability. Higher costs can erode the company's profit margins, limiting its ability to invest in growth initiative, research and development, or other strategy endeavors. With reduced profitability, the company may face challenges in sustaining its operation, expanding its business, or meeting financial obligation. Moreover, uncontrolled costs can lead to financial instability for the company. If expenses consistently exceed revenues, it can strain the company's cash flow and overall financial health. This situation may restrict Seng truck distribution's ability to meet its financial obligations, such as paying suppliers, meeting payrolls, or investing in necessary infrastructure and resources. It can also hinder the company's ability to respond to market changes or unforeseen circumstances. Another concern is the risk of local suppliers taking their position for granted. As niche suppliers, they may overlook the importance of consistently meeting quality standards. This can pose significant risk for Seng truck distribution, as even a single mistake by the assembler, such as a loose screw during assembly, could lead to extensive damage and costly repairs. Damaged brand image. Product quality issues can significantly impact the company's brand image and reputation. Negative reviews, customer complaints, and recalls can tarnish the company's credibility and make it difficult to attract new customers or retain existing ones. Building a strong brand relies on consistently delivering high-quality products that meet customer expectations. Increased costs. Low-quality products may result in higher costs for the company. It can lead to an increase in returns, repairs, and customer complaints, all of which require additional resources and incur expenses. Moreover, if defects are detected after the product has been delivered to customers, the company may bear the cost of replacement or refunds. The solution for this problem is regular checkups, inspection, and audits. Seng truck distribution should implement a comprehensive quality control program that includes regular checkups, inspection, and audits of the assembler's operations. This assessment should be conducted at various stages of the assembly process to ensure compliance with specification and adherence to high-quality standards. By regularly monitoring the assembler's performance, the company can identify and rectify any quality issues, promptly reducing the risk of costly damages and repairs. Manpower complicates supplier relationship. Due to high turnover rate, qualified staff may be unwilling to undertake critical activities, affecting truck quality. Seng truck distribution should partner with Company A to train and retain qualified staff. Another analysis identifies decreased productivity and increased costs as the potential consequences of these challenges. Decreased productivity, a lack of control over the workforce can lead to decreased productivity levels. High turnover rates and a lack of skilled workers can result in a shortage of resources and a decline in output. This can impact the company's ability to meet customer demands and fulfill orders in timely manner. Increased costs. Ineffective workforce management can result in increased costs of the company. High turnover rates require constant recruitment and training of new employees, which can be time-consuming and expensive. Additionally, if the workforce lacks the necessary skills or motivation, it may require additional supervision or rework, leading to higher labor costs. For this problem is training programs. Seng Truck Distribution should collaborate closely with Company A to develop and implement training programs for workforce. The program should focus on enhancing the skills and knowledge of employees, particularly in critical activities related to truck assembly. By providing comprehensive training, the company can ensure the employees have the necessary expertise to perform their tasks effectively, thereby improving truck quality. The next solution is retention incentive. To address the high turnover rate and encourage qualified staff to remain with the company, Seng Truck Distribution should consider implementing retention incentive. This incentive can include competitive compensation packages, performance-based bonuses, career development opportunities, and a positive work environment. By providing attractive incentive, the company can motivate employees to stay with the organization, reducing the disruptions caused by constant turnover. The next solution is positive work environment. Creating a positive work environment is crucial for retaining skilled workers and maintaining their motivation and commitment. Seng Truck Distribution should strive to foster a culture of teamwork, recognition, and support. This can involve implementing employee engagement initiatives, providing regular feedbacks and recognition, promoting work-life balance, and addressing any concerns or grievances raised by workforce. The last challenge that Seng Truck Distribution face is product availability. Seng Truck Distribution has a problem of maintaining sufficient stock. Analysis highlights the impact of product availability issues on supplier relationship management. Increased costs and strained customer relationships are identified as potential consequences of these challenges. Product unavailability or delays can lead to increased costs for the company. It may require expedited shipping or alternative sourcing option, which can be more expensive. Additionally, if production is halted or delayed, it can result in idle production capacity and additional overhead costs. Strained customer relationship. An ability to control product availability from a supplier can strain a relationship with customer. Customer rely on timely delivery of products, and if company is unable to meet their demands due to a supplier issue, it can result in dissatisfaction and potential loss of business. Negative customer experience can also damage the company's reputation. To address these issues, the following solutions are proposed. Open communication channels. Establishing open and transparent communication channels with Company B is crucial to ensure timely notification of product availability and potential shortages. Seng Truck Distribution should maintain regular communication with the supplier to stay informed about stock levels, production schedules, and any potential issues that may affect product availability. By proactively staying in touch with the supplier, the company can better anticipate and plan for any supply disruptions. The other solution is alternative arrangement. In cases where product availability from Company B is limited, Seng Truck Distribution should explore alternative arrangement to ensure the uninterrupted supply of tires. One possible solution is to borrow tires temporarily from other customers who may have surplus stock. This can help meet immediate demand while waiting for the availability of required tires from Company B. By exploring such alternative arrangement, the company can minimize disruption to its operation and fulfill customer order in a timely manner.
Supplier performance measurement and evaluation are one of the most fundamental aspects of Seng truck distribution and many other organizations. In today's competitive business landscape, effective supply chain management is crucial for organizations to maintain a competitive edge. One critical aspect of supply chain management is supplier performance measurement and evaluation. By monitoring and assessing suppliers' performance, companies can make informed decisions, optimize their supply chains, and enhance overall operational efficiency. This portion of the article focuses on the challenges faced by Seng truck distribution in supplier performance measurements and evaluation, provides an in-depth analysis of potential strategies and solutions, and offers recommendations for improvement. Data collection and analysis of Seng truck distribution faces difficulties in collecting accurate and timely data from suppliers. Incomplete or delayed information hampers the evaluation process, making it challenging to identify areas for improvement or potential risks. Supplier development is important for the company as lacks of structured supplier development program. This absence of prevents the identification and nurturing of strategic suppliers who can add value and contribute to the long-term success of the organization. To address the aforementioned challenges, Seng truck distribution can implement the following strategies. Enhance data collection and analysis. Seng truck distribution should invest robust information system to streamline data collection from suppliers. Implementing supplier relationship management software can help automate data exchange, providing real-time visibilities into supplier performance. Advanced analytics tools can be used to analyze the collected data, uncover trends, and identify areas for improvement. Besides, should consider to implement supplier development program to identify strategic suppliers and working closely with them to enhance their capabilities, aligning their performance with organization goals. Regular supplier audits, training section, and performance review can be conducted as well to monitor progress and ensure continuous improvement. Thus, implementing effective supplier performance management and evaluation practice is crucial for Seng truck distribution to optimize its supply chain and drive long-term success. To achieve this, the company should consider the following recommendations, such as continuous improvement, technology adoption. Investing in advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, supplier relationship management benchmarking, and best practices. As for recommendation, effective supplier performance measurement and evaluation play a vital role in optimizing supply chain management and attaining operational excellence. Seng truck distribution, like many other companies, encounters several challenges in the data collection and analysis supplier development. However, by implementing specific strategies and initiatives, these challenges can be overcome, leading to improved supplier performance and overall supply chain effectiveness. Enhancing data collection and analysis process is another crucial aspect, providing Seng truck distribution to invest in advanced technology solutions that enable efficient data capture and analysis. These include implementing a robust supplier relationship management system that automated data collection, provides real-time visibilities into supplier performance, and generates insightful reports and analytics. Emphasizing supplier relationship management is another critical factor. Seng truck distribution should prioritize building a strong, long-lasting relationship with its suppliers. This involves regular communication, collaborative problem-solving, and addressing any concern or issues promptly. Lastly, benchmarking against industry best practice can provide valuable insight and guidance for supplier performance improvement. Seng truck distribution should analyze and learn from industry leaders and adopt proven strategies and techniques. Benchmarking also allows the company to identify performance gaps, set ambitious targets, and implement effectiveness practices that have already demonstrated success elsewhere. By implementing this measure, Seng truck distribution can optimize its supply chain, drive efficiency, and gain a competitive advantage in the market. In addition, technology and digital transformation in supplier management also crucial to note that organizations across industry are embracing digital transformation to drive efficiency, streamline operation, and enhance customer experience. The trucking and distribution industry is no exception, with companies like Seng truck distribution recognizing the immense potential of technology in optimizing their supplier management processes. Thus, the key issue faced by Seng truck distribution are chronic reliance on manual system, where Seng truck distribution supplier management relies heavily on manual processes, including order placement, communication, and tracking. This manual approach is time-consuming, prone to errors, and lacks real-time visibilities into the supply chain, leading to delays, inefficiency, and increased costs. Besides, limited collaboration provides lack of effective collaboration tools, hinders smooth communication between Hapsing Truck Distribution and its suppliers. Traditional communication methods like phone calls and email are inefficient and results in miscommunication, delays, and poor coordination. Taking this into consideration, an in-depth strategy analysis of Hapsing Truck Distribution has become pivotal, and the proposed strategy are by implementing supplier relationship management system, where Hapsing Truck Distribution should invest in an SRM system that automates and streamlines the supplier management process. This system will centralize supplier information, order history, and performance metrics, providing real-time visibilities and enabling data-driven decision-making. Followed by adoption of electronic data interchange, EDI. By adopting EDI, Hapsing Truck Distribution can establish seamless electronic communication channels with its suppliers. EDI enables automated order placement, invoice processing, and real-time status updates, followed by reducing errors, enhancing efficiency, and improving collaboration, and lastly, integration of Internet of Things by developing IoT sensors in vehicle and warehouse allows real-time tracking of shipments, inventory levels, and vehicle performance. This data can be synchronized with the SRM system, providing accurate insights and facilitating proactive decision-making and predictive maintenance. Presenting this into a discussion, the following recommendation may come in handy for Hapsing Truck Distribution. By having collaborative supplier partnership, Hapsing Truck Distribution should establish collaborative partnership with its supplier to align their digital capabilities and ensure seamless integration of systems. Regular communication, joint planning, and shared goals will foster a transparent and mutually beneficial relationship. Besides, continuous monitoring and improvement is crucial for Hapsing Truck Distribution to monitor the effectiveness of the implemented technology and regularly review their performance. This will allow for necessary adjustments, process improvement, and the identification of emerging technologies that can further enhance supplier management. Furthermore, data encryption is another crucial measure in ensuring cybersecurity and data protection. By encrypting data, Hapsing Truck Distribution can transform it into an unreadable format that can only be deciphered with the appropriate encryption keys. This adds an extra layer of protection, especially when data is transmitted or stored on vulnerable channels or devices. Encryption should be applied not only to sensitive customers' information but also to internal communication, financial data, and any other data that is deemed valuable and requires protection. Implementing store algorithms and securely managing encryption keys will significantly reduce the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access. Technology and digital transformation have revolutionized the way business operates, offering immense opportunities for companies like Hapsing Truck Distribution to optimize their supplier management processes by leveraging these advancements. Hapsing Trucks Distribution can address manual processes, foster collaboration, and embrace innovative technologies such as supplier relationship management system, electronic data interchange, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Implementing these technologies can result in enhanced efficiency, cost saving, and improved decision-making capabilities for the company. One of the primary advantages of technology adoption in supply management is the elimination of manual processes. Traditionally, managing suppliers involved significant paperwork, data entry, and manual tracking, which were time-consuming and prone to errors. By implementing SRM system and EDI, Hapsing Truck Distribution can automate and streamline the processes, reducing human errors and increasing efficiency. SRM system provide a centralized platform for managing supplier relationship, enabling effective communication, collaboration, and monitoring of supplier performance. While the benefits of technology adoption in supplier management are substantial, successful implementation requires a comprehensive strategy. Hapsing Truck Distribution must align technology initiative with its business goals, define clear objectives, and prioritize investment. Moreover, embracing digital transformation involves a cultural change within the organization, and by embracing technology-driven solution, Hapsing Truck Distribution can position itself as a leader in the trucking and distribution industry. Through improved efficiency, cost saving, and data-driven decision-making, the company can gain a competitive edge, attract more customers, and enhance customer satisfaction. Lastly, adopting digital transformation measures ensure sustainable growth for Hapsing in the digital age, enabling the company to adapt to a changing market dynamic and seize new opportunities.
In conclusion, we can see that these four components are important in sourcing and supplier management. They are supplier selection criteria and process, strategic sourcing and supplier performance measurement and evaluation, and finally, technology and digital transformation. We hope that our presentation can give you an eagle's eye for our group project. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum.
And salam sejahtera.